What's going on, everybody? Stumpy's back at it again. Today I'm out here with a Boland's mower. I'm thinking about calling it Mud Killer because honestly, it's going to be what it is. Uh, I'm going to try to work on it just a little bit today. I'm sorry if you guys hear a lot of ambient wind noise. It's because it's just a little windy outside and I don't have an actual garage per se to work on it. I've got my small canopy that I put up today just in case. Um, they're not calling for any more rain till like Wednesday, Thursday of this week. So we should be good at least for today. Maybe tomorrow after I get off of work, I might be able to come down here, put a spotlight on it, and let it rip. I'm going to go ahead and try to air up some of the tires out today. I'm going to air up the back too. I found the set, absolutely found the set that I'm going to use for the back two tires. I'm going to change, well, hang on, let me see if I can get these in view here. I'm going to change out those crappy tires right here. And when I change these out, let me see if I can get myself in view here. When I change these out, I've found a nice set of chevron pattern tires. I'm going to tilt myself back up here a little bit. All right, anyway, I'm going to change out the back ones. I found a nice chevron with a good dig pattern on it. I think those would probably work better for what I really want to do. And then I'm also today, we're going to go ahead and get the measurements to come off the back side here. I want it to come out and make a little rack. And I think I got a rack. I'm going to go check here in a second around the side of the building and then see if I've got the rack that I want to. I want to mount a rack sitting back here so that way I can attach a case that I can put my fishing rods on. We are going to give her some paint. I'm still working on the design for paint. But that's going to happen. I am deciding I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to paint it up and do some cool new things. But I am going to take a second real quick to apologize to you guys for yesterday's not having a video. I want to tell everybody that your mental health is very important, and yesterday it was kind of rough for me. Back in May, about 4 years ago, actually longer than that. It's been longer than that. But I lost a good family member of mine, and that person meant the world to me. And no amount of words said by anybody could ever change the way that I feel now, except for being able to see them again. And honestly, it's harder day in and day out knowing that they're gone. So for my advice to everybody else is that if you have somebody that you love or that you care about deeply and that words couldn't fix the loss that you have, y'all seriously take care of those people, because they're never given tomorrow. So y'all seriously take care of each other. I know here lately I've been in and out of everything, but we're going to start getting this channel on track. But that is honestly my entire, I'm not going to say excuse, but entire reason why I didn't film yesterday. I needed to get my mental health correct before I come to you guys about this. So, but nonetheless, we're going to go on and get on with this today. We're going to get this started. I do have plans today to take the actual deck off. I'm going to swap the goat cart tires over here and put them on the front of this thing because they are exactly the same size, thank God. So the only thing I really got to buy for both these two are, the actual rear tires. Like I said, I've already got them in my shopping cart. I was going to order them, but then I thought about it. I said, nah, let's see what these things do first, because if I got to go get new motors and stuff like that, I think that would kind of take priority over tires, because we can run around on these things all day long. I mean, so, but let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this running real quick. Before too long, I'll go back there and check to see if we actually have the rear rack. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there for a second. Anyway, we'll get going on that. So let's get going. All right. Alright, I'm gonna grab the key. Sorry, guys. Also, I know I didn't show you guys this, but surprise, surprise, there's old Troy belt right there. So that's mud mower number 2. So, nonetheless, like I said, we're going to stay on this one here. So let's get going with it. Alright. Let's air up the back tires. We'll go ahead and get the front tires swapped out, and then we'll go from there. Okay. And I've got this. That situation there. Brought my Jeep along. That way I can do exactly what I need them to do. Alright. We're going to do some air only on this thing and see what happens. That's about as close as I could get my Jeep to the door. The only reason why I'm turning my Jeep on is because of the fact I want to have ample power for the tire. There's one. I don't know if this one's gonna make it around the other one. We're gonna try. Oh no, it's not. Yep. There's always a will. Oh, so close. Alright. Move the tools out of the way. Electric cord out of the way. Other things out of the way. plenty close enough for this thing to hit it now. Yep. Alright. So, it looks like the deck is going to be a little bit easier to take off. Looks like, not guaranteed. So I'm going to get up here in a minute and unbolt the front piece off. That way it drops that piece. And after that, we'll figure out what's going on from there. So, I'll put at least close to 20 pounds in them. Okay, there we go. I'm going to turn that off for now. Close the door so the light goes off. That works. Okay. So, now let's get a torque bit fitting on the front end. Get that ramp off in the front. Let me see what our time is right now. We're at 13 minutes. All right, I'm going to stop and make part 2 real quick, and then when I come back, we'll be right back at it.